Alrighty, I'm back. So, in this box here, box 2 of 2, are the body panels that I chose to buy for the 52 project. I looked around and surprisingly there's a lot of people out there that make panels, but not quality panels as I would call them. You know, decent, nice factory replacements. Till I stumbled across a company who was selling nice reproduction, quality stamped parts. And then I found out that they were making them in Detroit, which is even better. I mean, you got a car from Detroit, made up in Flint, Michigan actually, and it's got Detroit made parts going back on it. So the company's called EMS. You can't buy from them directly. I even contacted the gentleman here in Detroit. He wouldn't let me go pick up the parts. Said I had to order them online, go through their store, and that they would be delivered. Don't have a problem with that. I totally understand it. He doesn't want people showing up to his building going, hey man, you remember me? I got some cash. Can I just get my stuff? Big headaches. So I'm going to open up this first box and show you what's in it and what I got. So we got a tube of something. I don't know what would be in this tube. Calendar maybe, that'd be cool. It's just a tube. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's sheet metal 35 to 58 Ford Chevy. It's kind of a brochure of all the sheet metal they make. I'll zoom in that better on a different angle where I don't have the camera up on a tripod, but that's nice. It's actually nice quality, poster style paper, not cheap. Also got a catalog wrapped in plastic. Get out of the plastic here. Again, nice, like I would call it cardstock paper. Certificate of satisfaction. This is for all their body parts. Ford, looks like they do Ford and Chevy, Ford truck, essentially everything. 49.52. Look at that. That's pretty much everything I bought on the car right there. Those are the body parts I bought for the car. This piece right here is, well, I'll turn it around so I can read the part number. Lower front quarter, 2-door sedan, part number 203 left. EMS Automotive, Detroit, Michigan. And their phone number. Can't order from them direct though. You got to go through their website or through their store. Quality piece, I can tell you that much. So that is the front lower quarter panel. I'm going to zoom in on it here, give you a little looky-do. I mean, look at that corner. Not a wrinkle in the corner. All the way around. Nicely flanged. Let's see if I can get this sticker for you. 3-step flange all the way into the door and part of the rocker. And I can tell you that there's the inside. The inside, that's where it'll show you the actual stamping. Look at that, not a wrinkle. A little bit of scraping down there. Probably just needed to lube the die. And I don't know if you can get this on camera, but look how thick that steel is. That is factory quality steel. So that is what was in box number 1. Well, actually box number 2, but we'll go into box number 1 now. Next video.